Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your heated windshield in the 2024 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX Premium all-wheel drive in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we are going to head down into the control center here. And right now we have our infotainment controls showing. So I'm just going to touch this area and flip it over to the climate controls. And the button that's over here to the left of sync, this is the button for the heated windshield. So all we have to do is go ahead and press it, and of course now it's on, and this is for the entire windshield. We do still have our dedicated front defroster button, which is more for like the bottom of the window, bringing your air through it, but the windshield, and you can kind of pick it up on camera, has all these little squigglies through it. Well, that's all the heating elements that are throughout the entire windshield, so it will heat it up. It will turn itself off after a certain temperature just for safety's sake, just like your heated steering wheel, but you can turn it on and off as you want to, whether you're driving or not. Okay, sorry guys, I was editing and I realized what else I was trying to explain. I kind of messed up, so I'm just gonna redo what you haven't seen yet. So, right now the heated windshield is on. If we were to go ahead and turn off the car, I'm gonna open the driver's door and then close it and then turn the car back on again. You're going to see that the heated windshield does not come back on again until you go and turn it on. Very similar to how like the heated seats or the heated steering wheel would work. If you went to go put the front defroster on, restarted the car, the front defroster will be on the next time you start it. So if you were to do your physical remote start and start the car, the heated windshield is not part of that, just as a heads up. Also, if you went to go do the Kia Connect app, to do your remote start, same idea. Unfortunately, right now, there's no way of starting the heated windshield with that app. I hope that's an update or something that they do in the future, because that would be handy. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.